What is the goal of eyeliner? There are a number of things that you can do with eyeliner. For one, you can change or influence the shape of your eye or the illusion that it's larger, smaller, more almond, upturned. But initially, eyeliner was created to fill in all the gaps in between your eyelashes so that your lashes look so thick and full that there is just no skin showing. So what does that mean for somebody? You can see that top waterline. It means that eyeliner alone on the top is not really going to achieve that goal of thicker, fuller, lusher lashes because you can still see that skin. You have that show. If you're wondering, is this me? Look straight ahead, and if you can see the skin underneath your eye, then it is you. And for you guys, it's really important that maybe you tightline that area, especially if you have a hooded eye and you're like, I can never seem to even see my eyeliner. If you can see that little amount of skin, that waterline on the top lid when you're looking straight ahead, try putting a little bit black kohl liner there and really shading that in, and you'll find that you're gonna achieve your goal without a lot of eyeliner on top.